Hi, this is Miss Pinto from Palisade Prep, and I'm going to show you how to log into Office 365 for the first time. So first thing you're going to do is open up any web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Safari. So I'm going to use Chrome. I already have my window open. At the top here in the address bar, I'm going to type in office.com, and then I'm going to push enter on my keyboard. Then you're going to notice a orange sign in button over here on the left. So you're going to click that. It's going to ask you for your email address. So your school email address is your 6-digit ID number at yonkerspublicschools.org. Since I'm a teacher, mine's a little bit different. So I'm going to put mine in. Okay. So your email address will be your 6-digit ID number and then at yonkerspublicschools.org. You're going to click on the next button. It's going to ask you for your password. This password will be the password that you use to log into the computers at school. If you forget your password, please let one of your teachers know and provide them with your ID number so we can get that reset for you. Okay, click sign in. Then it's going to ask if you want it to remember your login information and keep you logged in. If it's your own computer, you can say yes. If it's not, then I would probably say no. Once you're logged in, you should see all of the apps, okay, that are available in Office 365. The main one that you're probably going to use are Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and most likely Microsoft Teams, which is right here. So just to open these up, all you need to do is just click on them once and then they open up.